Good morning. I'm going to show you today how to apply decals or transfers. Before you apply the decals, you use a gloss varnish to paint the area that you're going to put the decal. And then afterwards, you cut the decal, you soak it in water, let the water soak so that the decal slides off. And then you apply the Decalfix over the area where you're going to apply the decal. And then when the decal is ready, you take it up and you slide it over the area. Check that it's in the position you want it to be. Tap it dry. Then when it's about done, add another coat of Decalfix so that it softens and hardens the decal in place. And when it's dried, then you put another coat of gloss coat to seal it in and allow it 6 hours to dry.